Hello guys, this is Pump.fun and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to trade Pump.fun. Pump.fun, there are thousands of coins being listed on Pump.fun every single day, and looking for good coin is kind of difficult, but guess what guys, there's a new method that I found that you can use to look for viral coins that is going to print you at least 5s yet. So let me get right in and show you guys how to do this. So guys, this is Telegram, and this bot, which is called ATM.Day bot, is a bot that actually suggests coin that's really listed on Pump.fun. What this bot does is to go on Pump.fun, research on the coin based on volume and other metrics to get, and do what suggest those coins to my DM. All I need to do is simply go through those particular coins. The ones I like, I can simply buy then get if I want to buy. So guys, as you can see, let's take a look at some of the coins. So this particular coin that he suggested for me, which is about level 47, the market cap was about 42k market cap. Others 158, top 10 others 26%. You can see it is actually good coin, which is not meetable, it's not feasible. And if you see this particular one, right, this one, yeah, I think this one is listed on dexscreener already because they've paid. If they has paid, tell me that the developers has paid dexscreener. I can simply trade this coin if I want to trade. Or I simply tap on chat. If I click on chat, it's going to open up dexscreener chat for me, and I can do my analysis if I want to. As you can see, it's the body curve will so be it 96%. So with this particular book actually suggests good coins for you to get, so I think you should try it out if you want to try it out. The link to try the boat out will in the description box. Yet I'm using this boat and it has been really helpful because it does all the jobs for me. What it does is to go out there, look for good coins upon the phone, and I can trade them. So how to trade any of the coin? Probably I've checked them, I've checked the socials, and like those particular coins. All I need to do is to simply tap on trade on bulk boat. It can easily trade it on bulk boat, and you can see this. It's not this coin that I click. I can simply buy. If I want to buy with bulk boat, I can simply buy it, and instead I can buy and sell it. So this particular boat, the ATM boat and bulk boat, make them very easy to trade meme coin get. Most of these coins right here, at least 90% of them are actually very good coin. 90% of them get. I can't assure you that okay 100% of the coins that the bot is going to suggest will be good, but at least 90% of them will be good coins. So I recommend you try this bot because it actually reduces the work of you going to make research on uh Pump.fun. So this particular bot also have other coins that could suggest from any other platforms to get. So you know that it is not only Pump.fun that coins be created. Coins is created on video, Launchpad, and others. Get it to suggest other coins too aside Pump.fun, which I can also get to trade if I want to. And you can see this one too. So you get to suggest. So there are thousands of coins that I could choose from on this particular boat. So what I did want to trade is to go through this boat, any of the coins that caught my attention. Let's say I say, okay, this particular one is actually a very good one, right? Top 10%, top 10 of those are holding 90%, about 94k market cap, which is really very low. And so they say about our level clock. The time I record this video is about 11:54. So what I need to do is to simply click on the chart. I just need to check it out on the chart to see if the coin is actually getting volumes. As you can see, 1 hour ago, it has about 13,000 transactions. 5 minutes is about 633 transactions. So the coin is actually a very good coin, as you can see that. So this particular book does not suggest rock you get, but at least 90% of the time it does suggest good coin. You can see current market cap is about 216k. When it suggested the coin market cap was about 94, that is more than close to 2s, if not get. So I highly recommend this book for everyone to use. It has cut down my stress, and I believe it's going to make it profitable too. The link to sign up in the description box. click that link to sign up for this particular bot and get to trade for free. Yes. So guys, this will be it for this video. If it was helpful, to like, subscribe, turn the bell icon. See my next video. Peace out.